Welcome to the in front of you HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. So let's just open the face unlock settings and change here the option to unlock device, swipe to unlock, and let's switch it directly to unlock. So now we can see that we just 1 2 3 4 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature here works so fast and correct. We can unlock the device just less than in 1 second. This is the really good result for the face unlock. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.